What is going on, guys? This is your Wild Gamer with a new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys a tutorial, and it's about how to download high quality animes with lower size. So it's really quite easy. Those who want to watch the whole season in one sit will start watching this video, and you guys will start read some articles in Quora or some of the sites, and they all suggest sites like Go Anime, 9 Anime, Chia Anime, but actually in Chia Anime, one episode is around 80 megabytes. So I'm talking about it's really low size, like around 40 megabytes, like it's really fucking low. So as you can see, you gotta download the Kiss Anime app. I will leave the link in the description, so please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me, and I will leave the link in the description, and you can download. It is not available in Play Store, but I will leave a link. So in this app, it's Kiss Anime app. uh in Kiss Anime nowadays, you can't really download from that site, I think, due to some fucking annoying ads or some shit like that. So as you can see, there are a lot of animes. Every anime is up to date. The episodes are up to date. And as you can see, you can use the search icon to search for your favorite animes, or you can go to the update sections to see what are the new latest animes. So as you can see, there are a lot of animes like One Piece and some Sword Art Online. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download. So I'm going to download Darling in the Franxx. As you can see, you can read the description, and it's still ongoing, and the genres are science fiction, mecha, or some shit like that. So you can go to episodes right here, and you can see it's all up to date. It's all up to date. It's a good app. There's episode 1. I'm going to show you to guys how much size does it take. So you gotta click it twice, so it will take a few seconds like that, and pick your cells. This cell is good, click that. You can watch it online, or you can select UC Mini. It's really a good app. I really recommend to you guys to download this, because it's really a good browser and download manager, because it really saves your time. You can select the fast download. It's UC Browser Mini. So click that, the download starts. And the size of the episode is only 50 megabytes. If you're going to watch this episode online, it will take around 100 megabytes. So it really saves you time. I really recommend this app, use this app, because it really saves you time, and you can download twice as many episodes and watch it in one go. So that's all, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helps, and if this helps, share it with your friends who want to watch anime. Share, subscribe, and like, and if you have a doubt, comment something. I'll reply to every comment. And that's all, folks. Peace out.